the center now and going through the neighborhood. This is where the kids live and play, and there's Fatimata, who wants to be a doctor when she grows up, and Nana, who's part of our Instruments for Africa group. Yeah, with your help, we can provide these girls with a quality education so they can realize their big dreams. They deserve it. They are hugely talented and so bright, and with your help in education, they can rewrite their future. To make a donation, you can go to my Facebook cause page, Tamawali, and the cause is creating opportunity for a child in West Africa. Invitaso. Kami sini.
Okay.